Hey, tech lovers! Today I'm diving into something that sounds simple but can trip up many activating Windows. Whether you've just built a new PC, reinstalled Windows, or are setting up your laptop, I've got the scoop on how to get your system up and running. So, let's get started. First things first, you'll need a valid Windows product key. This is typically a 25-character code that you receive when you purchase Windows or a new computer with Windows pre-installed. If you're upgrading from a previous version, you might not need a new product key, but it's always good to have it on hand. Now, once you're all set up with your installation and you boot up for the first time, you should be prompted to activate Windows during the setup process. Simply enter your product key when asked and follow the on-screen instructions. It's as easy as that. But sometimes, things don't go as smoothly as we'd like. If you weren't prompted or if you skipped the step during setup, don't worry. You can still activate Windows anytime. Just head over to the Settings app. You can find it by hitting the Start button and clicking the little gear icon. Next, go to Update and Security and select Activation from the sidebar. Here, you'll see the status of your Windows activation and options to change your product key if needed. Just click on Change Product Key, enter your 25-character code, and hit Next. Windows will take care of the rest. But what if you encounter an error? Common issues might include connectivity problems or the system being unable to reach Microsoft's activation servers. In such cases, ensuring your internet connection is stable is key. If the problem persists, running the Windows Activation Troubleshooter might help. It's designed to find and fix common activation problems automatically. Lastly, for those wondering about digital licenses, if your Windows 10 or 11 was pre-installed on your device, you likely have a digital license instead of a product key. This means your license is automatically linked to your hardware, making activation even smoother. Just make sure you're logged in with your Microsoft account, and Windows should activate itself once you're connected to the internet. And that's it. Whether it's through a product key or a digital license, activating Windows is crucial to ensure you're running a legitimate copy. It unlocks all features, keeps your system secure, and let's be honest, gets rid of those annoying activation reminders. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to hit that like button if you found this helpful. Catch you in the next one.